So we have our pointe shoes, and there are so many different ways to sew them. And I think people get overwhelmed with crisscross and stretchy ribbon and not stretchy ribbon and loop-de-loop. I'm gonna show you a foolproof way to sew your pointe shoes that makes it so easy, so simple, and you need one piece of elastic and one ribbon per shoe. I've sewn it one side on this shoe. Let me show you. When you're a beginner, you don't need fancy bells and whistles to sew your pointe shoes. We just need one piece of elastic and one ribbon. For the elastic, here is my shoe. Do you see this center seam right here? We want to sew it fairly far down because you're going to get the heel, you're going to get a nice pull in the heel, about 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches from this center seam. And you see I've sewn all the way around so that when the heel is there, my elastic is all the way down here and I'm getting a nice pull on the pointe shoe from the bottom. If you sew only up here, you're just getting the top to pull. We need to pull all the way down to the heel. This is particularly useful if you have disappearing heels, smaller heel from your width of your toes. We're gonna take this piece of elastic and we're gonna sew one side about 1 inch or so from the seam, and you're gonna match it on the other side, just like that. So you need one loop with both elastics right there, super easy. This goes around the ankle. For your first pair, don't worry about crisscross, don't worry about anything funky. You will figure out what you need as you dance. For the ribbon, it's also very easy. We're gonna do one long piece of ribbon. Instead of doing 2 separate ribbons attached to each side, I want you to do one long ribbon. I'm gonna show you why in a second. With the ribbon, I've already attached it to one side, and I'm just going to mimic that on the other side. Give it a little bit of give here so we can stand on it. It'll focus, there we go. Give it a little bit of give so you can stand on it. Sew it on this side and on this side. So then it's one long piece of ribbon. This is so if one side comes unstitched, you're still standing on it and it's still attached on the other side. Whereas if we had 2 separate ribbons without this middle piece, if this side came unattached, the ribbon would be gone. So we have one big long ribbon, and this is how ribbons come. They'll come in one huge thing, cut it in half, so you have one for each shoe. We have it all the way across this way, and our one loop elastic this way. I do have a video on actually sewing it for you. I will link it in a card and below using this particular method. So you can check that out if you want to see a little more specifics. But one piece of elastic, one piece of ribbon, you're good to go on your pointe shoe. You don't need anything else. As you progress, we talk about different kinds of ribbon and how to sew it differently, and you'll figure out where you want the pull, if anything's gapping. Beginners, make your life easy. Sew and go, right? Sew and go. One elastic, one ribbon, good.